In today's tutorial, I'm show you how to disable or turn off automatic restarting after system boot failure on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start button, select the power icon, and then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and select Restart. Should say please wait. Now, I will say if you're unable to boot into Windows, just do a hard power off 3 times in a row to open up the troubleshooting menu that you can then adjust different startup behaviors. So it just may take a moment for this page to load here, so just please be patient. And now you want to select Troubleshoot, reset your PC, or see Advanced Options, and then select Advanced Options. Select Startup Settings, change Windows Startup Behavior, and then select Restart. And then at this point, you can select where it says Disable Automatic Restart After Failure, which in most cases should be the F9 key. I'm just going to select that, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.